Okay, people, so what we have here is a 2003 Honda Element. We're having a no start issue. Came into the vehicle and there is absolutely no power to anything. And if you look at the fuel gauge and the coolant temp gauge needles, they're doing something really weird, which is pegging out towards the direction of the gear indicator. I know what this is just from experience. I've seen it before. Anytime you get in a vehicle that won't start and you have absolutely no power to anything, 9 times out of 10 it's going to be the battery. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go outside with the voltmeter, and I'm going to show you basically just how to check your battery with the voltmeter. It's a real simple process, and it can save you an hour labor at a shop by doing this yourself. I'll post a later video also of how to check your alternator voltage at the battery, which is also very easy, and how to check your starter for no start situations.